Busy business owners, sometimes it feels like your business is running you, not the other way around, doesn't it? There's demands from all kinds of angles, from your accountants, from your team, everywhere. People are coming to you, demanding stuff of you, and that's stressful. For some people, that leads to anxiety and overwhelm and procrastination. Maybe you're not at that stage, you just need to focus down. We have a session for you. It is a concise session. We have got a Munch&Learn session coming up, only half an hour, a choice of 2 times, check them out below, where you can come and learn how to get more focus in your business. Take a second out to recalibrate and focus on what's important for you in your business right now.